Hello students. So the next story is The Tailor and the Elephant. A tailor ran a shop in the bazaar. An elephant used to pass by his shop. He gave him a bun every day. One day he thought of making a mischief. As the elephant came to have his bun, the tailor pricked the needle into the trunk. The elephant became angry but went away. On his return, he filled his trunk with muddy water. He reached the tailor shop, but his trunk into it the muddy water. All the dresses hanging in the shop were spoiled. He felt sorry over what he did. Moral: do not hurt others. As you sow, so shall you reap.